Welcome to Tesla Vision. Today we will talk about the most recent Tesla news and updates. Let's get into it right away. The EV community is getting more and more anxious to find out about the updates in Cybertruck's design, as there are frequent sightings of the Semi and Model S refresh. A Tesla enthusiast tweeted to Elon Musk about teasers for the Cybertruck. Elon Musk was quick to respond and said that the new Cybertruck would have no handles. This tweet was very cryptic, and the EV community is still trying to decide what it actually means. Initially, the design of the Cybertruck had disappearing door handles like the ones found in the Model S. This gave the truck a flush look on the exterior, which added to its overall modern looks. There is also another theory going around that the Cybertruck may have a door opening mechanism like the one present on the Tesla Roadster. The Roadster has a unique system in which a touchpad is installed on the B-pillar of the car. One has to swipe down and make a motion to actually open the door. It will be a wise step if Tesla ditches the Model S style door handles, as they have a bad history of getting broken down and then needing repairs. However, it is not yet certain whether Elon Musk was talking about the outer handles or rather the handles on the inside. It would be no surprise if Tesla brings in a unique door opening mechanism for the cabin of the Cybertruck, even though Tesla gives a button to open the door from the inside in its vehicles. It already seems that the Cybertruck will not only be the most futuristic pickup truck, but also a very innovative vehicle compared with other Teslas. Tesla will debut the Semi later this year by delivering 15 of them to PepsiCo as a part of its fleet. PepsiCo has been undergoing major changes to reduce its greenhouse gas emissions on a very large scale. Diesel usage has been reduced by 78%, and the overall greenhouse gas emissions have fallen below 50%. The PepsiCo facility at Modesto, California, has brought in more than 60 trucks and forklifts that are battery-operated to contribute to the greenhouse gas reduction cause. In addition to this, PepsiCo also stated that the truck's fleet would consist of 15 Tesla Semis. They will be delivered in the second half of 2021. The EV community is joyed to see a solid delivery schedule for the Semis, as their deliveries have been getting delayed many times in the past couple of months. One reason for the delay in the process is thought to be Tesla's interest in car insurance business. However, it does seem like a smart move for Tesla to strengthen its after-sales services network before selling any more vehicles to the public, especially the Semi and the Cybertruck that will have high costs of getting insurance or repairs. The price of the Tesla Model Y has been increased in the Chinese market by almost 8,000 renminbi or $1,226. This step is viewed as a reaction to the incredibly high demand for Model Ys in China throughout the first quarter of 2021. Model Y has become one of the top 3 electric vehicles sold in the nation. This success has been achieved by Tesla in a very short period of time. Tesla introduced the made-in-China Model Y in January of 2021, and since then, there has been a huge demand for the crossover electric SUV due to its practicality and quality at such a low price point. Tesla's Model 3 was the second most sold EV, while the Model Y came in third. These two were just behind the small electric car made by General Motors. In the first month of sales, the Model Y wasn't even in the top 20 list of the best-selling EVs, and hence did not have a price increase, but rather got its price lowered. Elon Musk is confident that the success of Tesla in China will only grow, and the nation will eventually become one of the biggest consumers of EVs. Tesla has been doing its best to get the United States Appeals Court to bring back the 2016 regulations by the Obama administration. According to the law, there would be double penalties applied to car manufacturers that would fail to have efficient engines. It would only apply to companies making internal combustion engines to bring down the diverse effects on the environment. The arrival of the Trump administration delayed the implementation of these regulations until 2022. According to the rules, the NHTSA will fine between $5.50 and $14 for every 0.1 miles per gallon the newly manufactured vehicles will consume above the limit set by the authorities. The reason behind this rule was to give an initiative to car makers for making the fleets much more environmentally friendly and to start shifting towards electric vehicles. Tesla has come forward to get the regulations imposed under the Biden administration and has deemed the acts of the Trump administration unlawful. According to Tesla, it not only lets car makers make environmentally dangerous vehicles, but also makes the efforts of car makers using the new fuel sources meaningless. However, these regulations have not been imposed instantly. The Biden administration is currently getting the NHTSA to investigate how and why the Trump administration delayed these regulations. The price for Tesla Model 3 has been increased by $500 as the first quarter of 2021 ends. This was done in the most recent adjustment of prices. It affected the price of the long-range dual-motor all-wheel drive and Standard Range Plus variants of the Model 3. The Standard Range Plus variant is now priced at $37,990, while the long-range dual-motor all-wheel drive Model 3 costs $46,990. Both of the prices are before the addition of any options. Tesla has not changed the price of the Model 3 Performance that stays at $55,990, that too before adding any options. The price of the Model 3 has been undergoing a lot of fluctuations in the past few months. It got a price cut of $1,000 back in February. It was then raised by $500 at the start of March. Presently, the prices of Tesla Model 3 are back to where they were before the price reductions took place. All this will have its effects on the sales figures for Tesla in the first quarter of 2021. Tesla's goal was to increase it above 50% of what it was in the previous year. There were 88,400 cars delivered by Tesla in the first quarter of 2020. Tesla is using its tried and tested way of building gigafactories when it comes to the one in Texas. However, it is quite different from the techniques used in creating the Shanghai Gigafactory. Giga Shanghai started rolling out ready-made vehicles within a year of the facility's groundbreaking. Even after 8 months have passed after the groundbreaking of Giga Texas, there is still a lot of work that needs to be done. Installations of facilities and equipment are being carried out at a steady pace there. Giga Berlin is a different story for Tesla, as it has been getting some opposition from the public who has their environmental concerns with the project. In a recent tweet, Tesla boasted that now it has 6,000 Superchargers across 600 locations in Europe. This is not a small feat, and without a doubt plays a pivotal role in making Tesla a common household brand in Europe. The pictures shared by Tesla in the tweet show some of Europe's most beautiful locations with Tesla Superchargers there. The company still has a long road to go before there is an adequate number of Superchargers in Europe so that it becomes a mainstream way of refueling cars. Tesla has to do this to create a fertile ground for the operations planned at Giga Berlin. There will be the production of made-in-Germany Model Ys very soon. To sell those rapidly, Tesla must first have a well-spread network of superchargers. Tesla superchargers are currently the best and fastest way of getting electric vehicles charged. These are also much more convenient compared to charging stations by third-party companies that need a separate phone application or card to run. Make sure to check out one of the videos shown on your screen right now. We post videos daily, so feel free to subscribe and stay up to date on all most recent news and updates.